Hey science fans! Are you ready for an exciting journey through the annals of scientific history? Today, we're going back in time to meet a true pioneer, John Dalton. This remarkable figure made groundbreaking contributions that forever altered our understanding of the natural world. Born in England in 1766, Dalton grew up in a modest Quaker family. Despite the limited resources, he was a voracious learner, always curious about the world around him. His early education was largely self-taught, but his passion for knowledge knew no bounds. Dalton's most famous contribution is his atomic theory, which proposed that all matter is composed of small, indivisible particles called atoms. This theory was revolutionary at the time and laid the foundation for modern chemistry. But Dalton didn't stop there. He was a true Renaissance man, delving into various fields of study. He meticulously recorded weather patterns, contributing to the field of meteorology. His observations and records were so detailed that they are still referenced today. Another significant area of his research was color blindness, a condition he personally experienced. Dalton's studies on this topic were pioneering, and the condition is sometimes referred to as Daltonism in his honor. His work is a cornerstone of modern chemistry and still inspires scientists today. From the periodic table to chemical reactions, Dalton's theories are integral to our understanding of science. Dalton's atomic theory revolutionized how we view matter. He proposed that each element is made up of atoms of a single, unique type, and that these atoms combine in fixed ratios to form compounds. This was a radical departure from the then prevailing theories. It's hard to overstate his impact. His ideas not only advanced scientific thought, but also paved the way for future discoveries in chemistry and physics. Scientists around the world continue to build upon his work. Let's dive into the life of this extraordinary scientist. From his humble beginnings to his monumental achievements, John Dalton's story is a testament to the power of curiosity and perseverance. Join us as we explore his fascinating journey and enduring legacy. John Dalton's journey began in a small village. He was born into a modest Quaker family. Even though they didn't have much, Dalton's parents encouraged his education.
Even as a young boy, I was curious about the world. I started teaching at 12. Imagine that.
He taught at a local Quaker school. This early experience made him love learning and sharing knowledge.
Dalton's dedication to teaching was remarkable. He was a teacher his whole life. This shows his amazing character.
Now let's explore his groundbreaking atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory was revolutionary. He said everything is made of tiny particles called atoms.
This wasn't a brand new idea. Ancient Greeks thought about it too. But Dalton proved it with experiments and observations.
I said that atoms of different elements have different weights. I also showed how atoms combine to form compounds.
Imagine Lego bricks of different sizes and colors making up everything you see. Dalton's atomic theory changed chemistry forever. It explained chemical reactions and what matter is made of. His work laid the foundation for modern chemistry. Dalton wasn't just interested in atoms. He loved weather too. He kept detailed daily weather records.
He used simple tools, even building his own.
His observations led him to study gases.
I discovered that the total pressure of mixed gases is the sum of each gas's pressure. This is called Dalton's law of partial pressures.
Dalton's work on gases was crucial for understanding the atmosphere. His law is still used today in diving and flying.
Dalton also made important discoveries about color blindness.
He was colorblind himself. He was the first to study it scientifically.
I did experiments and realized it was hereditary, passed down in families. My work helped future research on color vision.
Dalton's research on color blindness was groundbreaking. His work helped people understand it better. It also showed how important it is to understand that people see things differently.
Section 6, A Legacy Etched in Science. This section delves into the remarkable contributions of John Dalton, a man whose work laid the foundation for modern chemistry and meteorology. His legacy is a testament to the power of curiosity and dedication. John Dalton dedicated his life to science. Born in 1766, Dalton was a self-taught scientist who made groundbreaking discoveries. His humble beginnings did not deter him from pursuing his passion for understanding the natural world. He was a true pioneer, always learning new things. Dalton's relentless pursuit of knowledge led him to develop the atomic theory, which revolutionized the way we understand matter. His meticulous experiments and observations were ahead of his time.
His work was very important for chemistry and meteorology. Dalton received many awards. His contributions to the study of gases and the development of the law of partial pressures were particularly noteworthy. These achievements earned him recognition and respect from the scientific community. His work was praised for being new and important. Dalton's publications, including his famous A New System of Chemical Philosophy, were groundbreaking. They provided a new framework for understanding chemical reactions and the behavior of gases.
He became a Fellow of the Royal Society, a big honor for scientists. This prestigious recognition was a testament to the impact of his work. Being part of such an esteemed institution allowed Dalton to collaborate with other leading scientists of his time. Even after his death in 1844, Dalton's work continued to inspire. His theories and discoveries have stood the test of time, influencing generations of scientists. His grave remains a site of pilgrimage for those who admire his contributions. His atomic theory is still a cornerstone of modern chemistry. The idea that all matter is composed of atoms has become a fundamental principle in science. Dalton's work laid the groundwork for the development of the periodic table and our understanding of chemical elements. His work on gases and color blindness is still important. Dalton's research on the properties of gases led to the formulation of Dalton's law, which is still used today. Additionally, his studies on color blindness, a condition he personally experienced, opened new avenues in the field of vision science. Now, what can we learn from Dalton's life? His story teaches us the value of perseverance, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. John Dalton's legacy is a reminder that even the most humble beginnings can lead to extraordinary achievements in science. Section 7. Dalton's enduring lesson. Dalton's life teaches us a lot. He came from a simple family and became a famous scientist. This shows the power of curiosity and hard work. He wasn't afraid to think differently. Dalton's careful observations were key to his discoveries. He made amazing discoveries with simple tools and sharp eyes. He shows us that anyone can be a scientist. Dalton inspires us to keep asking questions, observing, and experimenting. His legacy reminds us that science is a journey of exploration for everyone. Section 8. Dalton's impact on modern science. John Dalton, a name synonymous with groundbreaking scientific advancements, has left an indelible mark on the world of modern science. His contributions span across various fields, making him a pivotal figure in the history of science. Dalton's impact on modern science is huge. His work laid the foundation for many scientific principles that we take for granted today. From the atomic theory to his studies on gases, Dalton's research has been instrumental in shaping our understanding of the natural world.
His atomic theory created modern chemistry, providing a systematic explanation of chemical reactions and the nature of matter. Before Dalton, the concept of atoms was largely philosophical. He transformed it into a scientific theory, offering a clear and concise model that explained how elements combine and react, changing how we understand matter. Dalton's atomic theory introduced the idea that all matter is composed of atoms, indivisible and indestructible particles. This was a revolutionary concept that changed the course of chemistry and paved the way for future discoveries. His work on gases is still important for things like weather science and engineering. Dalton's law of partial pressures, which describes how gases behave in a mixture, is a fundamental principle in both meteorology and engineering. It helps scientists predict weather patterns and design efficient gas-related machinery. Dalton's research on color blindness helped us understand vision better. As someone who was colorblind himself, Dalton conducted extensive studies on the condition, which led to a better understanding of how we perceive color. His work laid the groundwork for modern research on vision and color perception. It also showed how important it is to make science accessible to everyone. Dalton's personal experiences with color blindness highlighted the need for inclusivity in scientific research and education. His legacy encourages us to create a more inclusive environment where everyone has the opportunity to contribute to scientific advancements.
Dalton's legacy is more than just discoveries. It's about inspiring future generations to explore, question, and innovate. His life and work serve as a testament to the power of curiosity and perseverance in the pursuit of knowledge. He inspires scientists from all backgrounds, showing that anyone, regardless of their circumstances, can make significant contributions to science. Dalton's story is a reminder that diversity in science leads to richer, more innovative discoveries. showing that curiosity and hard work can lead to amazing things. His journey from a humble background to becoming a renowned scientist demonstrates that with determination and passion, anyone can achieve greatness. His impact is still felt in science today. The principles he established continue to guide scientific research and innovation, proving that John Dalton's contributions to science are timeless and enduring. Section 9. Conclusion: A legacy of curiosity. John Dalton's story shows the power of curiosity. He wanted to understand the world, and that led to amazing discoveries. His work still shapes how we understand the universe. Dalton reminds us that science is a journey of discovery. By being curious and exploring the unknown, we can unlock the secrets of nature. Just like Dalton, we can all contribute to science. So let's keep Dalton's spirit alive by being curious. Let's explore, experiment, and never stop asking questions. Who knows what we might discover?